In a volatile economy, even a household name like Walgreens feels the heat, literally and financially. A nationwide pharmacy with more than 8,000 locations considers energy efficiency a top priority. HVAC systems can account for nearly half of a store's energy consumption, and every additional degree of heat on the roof directly impacts the bottom line. Walgreens' roofing division recognized an opportunity to strengthen their roof repair strategy to improve energy efficiency across their stores. NanoTech Materials and their roofing partner, PIC Global, deployed their industry breakthrough cool roof coat at a Walgreens in Henderson, Texas. Unlike traditional white paints, NanoTech's insulative ceramic particle technology creates a thermal shield that blocks heat rather than merely reflecting it, stopping that heat at the surface before it can burden the store's HVAC. The PIC Global team restored an aged 3-ply modified built-up roof with a 20-year NanoTech cool roof coat system. First, PIC Global applied NanoTech's all-weather coat, which serves as a bleed blocker to prevent any asphalt from staining the top coat. Next, they applied the NanoTech cool roof coating in 2 layers. This top coat acts as the first line of defense against extreme heat and UV degradation. The PIC Global team completed the install with zero disruption to pharmacy operations, and early data loggers already show cooler interior temps, proof that smarter roofs drive real energy savings. On behalf of the PIC Global and NanoTech Materials teams, thank you, Walgreens, for the opportunity to work with you on this pilot project.